A random normally distributed matrix in numpy. I would like to generate a matrix M, whose elements mi, j, are from a standard normal distribution. One trivial way of doing it is But I was playing around with numpy and came across another solution. I read the document for numpy.random.normal, and it says it doesn't clarify how does this function work when matrix is passed instead of a single value. I suspected that in the second solution I might be drawing from a multivariate normal distribution. But this can't be true because the input arguments both have the same dimensions. Covariance should be a matrix and mean is a vector. Not sure what is being generated by the second code.
The intended way to do what you want is. This is the optional size parameter that tells numpy what shape you want returned, 3 by 3 in this case. Your second way works too, because the documentation states, if size is none, default, a single value is returned if lock and scale are both scalars. Otherwise, np.broadcastLock, scale, size samples are drawn. So there is no multivariate distribution and no correlation.
Yeah.